Hit like and subscribe to Bitcoin in 3 minutes. Interesting, these wars all lining up with a similar crash pattern in the charts, isn't it? Could the USA joining the fight against Iran and some type of massive bombing event trigger the black swan event we have in the charts? Let's take a look where Bitcoin is at. Comparing COVID crash to today's charts, we know how similar it is. And now it is right on the edge of either playing out or being invalidated. Look at how exact this 3-day chart is comparing COVID crash to now. Moving averages, RSI, candles, and LMACD all look the same. The LMACD blue line has also now crossed under, just like COVID crash. We wait for this RSI to go lower than the previous RSI low to confirm next crash step. This 2-day chart comparison shows the candles are not exactly the same, but the RSI and LMACD certainly are. The LMACD has just broken under the yellow horizontal line, just like COVID. Will price follow the COVID pattern and drop to the purple MA89? If it does, we know it will then have a slight rally up and then the big crash. On the 5-day stock RSI, we see the blue line is crossing under the green horizontal line, just like COVID. We wait for the next candle to be printed on Friday to confirm the cross under. Now let's look at current charts for Bitcoin. The Binance chart shows price trying to hold the POC after rejecting that important red line level at 108K. The USDT chart shows the resistance at this green trend line every time it gets touched. On the CME Bitcoin chart, the gaps I spoke about down to 105K got filled. We know from other charts how this 104 to 106K area is a good support area. As price went down to fill those gaps, it created more, which it has now also filled. There is one gap left at 98K. We could get there if price breaks that 102K support area. The 2-day USDT chart shows a possible hidden continuation. Bearish divergence should the RSI not go above previous RSI high. If the LMACD goes above 0, this chart could rise up fast, confirming the crash scenario. As you may know, I am now creating public strategies and indicators like this one. There is one free strategy that is proving quite popular. Check my TradingView profile or Discord to get this for free. It is called RSI Divergence Strategy. It works on any time frame, but I provided perfect setup for a 30-minute Bitcoin chart. You can enter your own variables on when to enter and exit trades that line up with bearish or bullish RSI divergence. You can see these levels on the chart as shown. You can change how the trade is made in terms of capital and percent used each trade. You can also set up how you want it to look on your chart with many settings available. So, now we wait and watch if Bitcoin can hold support levels from 102 to 104,000 and get back above 106,000. If not, a drop to fill the gap at 98K is coming. We are now in a good spot with both a long trade from weeks ago, around 85K in play, and now a short trade taken at 110K as per previous video. Whichever way Bitcoin goes, one trade will stay in play while the other gets stopped out. Both in profit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and the bell notification.